What's going on, guys? Trey May 10 here, back again with another Zox Mystery Packs unboxing. Today we got one that has 3 of the new packaging, so we should get 3 new straps, which will be pretty exciting. I'm waiting to open these up. Today I'm rocking the Hang Loose single, which has like, you know, like that pink, white, and blue kind of little flowers and stuff. It's a nice one. I like the singles. They don't feel like they're bulky on your wrist or anything. But let's go ahead and start opening these. I haven't seen this one. We got Enchanting. You'll beguile none of those that you trust. Enchanting. And then on here it looks like we've got some kind of Greek styling. A hand coming out of water that's holding a sword with some olive wrapped around it, and I also really like that pattern there. That's pretty sweet. We got number 411. The inside looks a little similar, a little different color scheme with the Enchanting. I'm not sure which series this one belongs to, but I like that one. That's a good start. Let's see what we got in this other one. Another new one. Will Scarlet, number 718. And also De Good Scarlet and much. The miller's son, every inch of his body was worthy of a man. And then on here, we've got our, who I'm assuming is Will Scarlet, holding a sword. Oh, and I just noticed they get a little mark for season 1. Yeah, so the inside is the same except black and gray. And it says Will Scarlet, of course. Cool, cool. Two season 1 straps out of 2 so far. Can we get a third? Let's find out. And I think we did. This is Lean on Me, number 672. And it says, I'll take you to Pisa. Leaning Tower of Pisa. So yeah, on here we've got a striped octopus next to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And then on the inside, there's a little season 1 octopuses. I think they called this one Escape Artists. Lean on Me. With our Tower of Pisa and some clouds. Alright. That was a pretty stacked mystery pack. That's what I like to see, huh? And they sent me another sticker. Alright, so that'll conclude this month's mystery pack unboxing. This was my one for the month of July. And, you know, as always, if you'd like to get yourself a mystery pack or two, I have a discount code in the description that you can use, and it'll give me a referral. I really want one of those referral straps and still haven't gotten one, so someone's got to pull the trigger, right? Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.